My name is Scott Tipton. I'm branch manager for District 5 and project engineer for the 64 bridge replacement project. Currently, we have 4 sets of bridges that we are replacing on I-64. The bridge overpass over Kentucky 151, South Benson Creek, Evergreen Road, and Cardwell Lane. The need for this project is that the existing bridges have met their lifespan. This project is unique that it is all one project, but we actually have 3 different sites that we are working on concurrently. Here at 151, we are currently in phase 2, where we have completed the inside lanes. For South Benson and Evergreen Bridge, that is also one site that we're working on together. For Cardwell Lane, we are currently in phase 1, where we are constructing the inside lanes of the bridge. Motorists should be aware of just various lane switches and differing traffic patterns throughout the job. Speed is a main factor. And once you get through one site, well, you're going to be coming up on another one, so try to slow down through the job site. The project is scheduled to be complete in late fall of 2023.